Our question says derive the Marshallian demand functions for u equal to xy. Okay, so what does it say is that you need to find out the Marshallian demand for x and y when your utility function is given to you as u equals to xy. Price vector is assumed to be P1 and P2, that is P1 for P1 as the price of X and P2 is the price of Y. Income of the consumer is assumed to be M. This is your budget line, that is P1X plus P2Y equals to M. P1X plus P2Y is the total expenditure, okay, and M is the total income, okay. Since it is satisfied with equality, it means that all income is spent, okay. All income, you have earned income M and that is spent on X and Y. So all income is spent. Generally your budget set is P1X plus P2Y less than equal to M. That is, you do not spend your entire income, you save a bit, but you're assuming this that it is being spent with equality, okay. Then you form the Lagrange equation, and which is xy, that is you try to maximize your utility function, that is your objective function. You are trying to maximize your utility subject to this budget constraint, okay. So your utility is maximized subject to the budget constraint. Lambda is nothing but your Lagrange multiplier. So you need to find out three partial derivatives. One is del L by del x, del L by del y, and del L by del lambda, okay. Lx is your del L by del x. So what you need to do is that you need to find out the derivative of L with respect to x, and that is y minus lambda p1 is equal to 0. Ly, that is del L by del y, you have derivated L with respect to y and you get x minus lambda p2 equals to 0. And L lambda, which is m minus p1x minus p2y equals to 0. You just derivated it with respect to lambda. Now, if you divide equation 1 by 2, what you're going to get is this, that is y by x is equal to p1 by p2. Okay, you've just divided equation 1 by equation 2 and you get this. But y could even be written as p1 by p2 into x. I've just simplified this, okay. Now substituting this y equals to p1 by p2 into x into 3, we get m minus p1 x minus p2. Now in place of y, you have substituted this, that is p1 by p2 into x equals to 0. So this entire expression is in terms of x now. So you can find out the value for x, which will come out to be m by 2p1, okay. Similarly, you can find out y equals to m by 2p2, okay. So your Marshallian demand vector is xy, which is m by 2p1 and m by 2p2. Marshallian demands are always in terms of income and prices, and this is what we have derived.